How to remove a clip from your project in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device to get started. Next, navigate to the Studio tab located at the bottom of the screen and select the project you are currently working on. Tap on the project to open it in the editor where you can see all the clips included in your video. Scroll through the timeline to find the clip you want to remove from your project. Once you locate the clip, tap on it to select it. Look for the delete or remove option, usually represented by a trash bin icon or the word remove, and tap on it. You may be asked to confirm the deletion. Tap remove again to proceed. After removing the clip, review your project timeline to ensure the remaining clips flow smoothly together. Finally, tap save to update your project without the removed clip. Now you know how to remove a clip from your project in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.